Hi, little boy. You're stuck behind the baby gate. It's jail. How are you going to get over? Are you going to climb? No, you can't get through. Hi. Oh, and come over here. Oh, it's over here. Come under the glass. Hey, Scott, can you put him on by the glass? Mwah, mwah, mwah. Hello.
Hands up, there we go.
Hi, mister. Hey. Okay, that's kind of grody. Oh. Hello. Are you kissing the mirror? The window?
I kiss mommy. This sucks. Vampire Diaries on the same time as Smallville.
Uh-oh.
Am I such a teen for having shows like this? Oh, don't put that on Facebook.
Owen! Owen! How can you pay attention to Olive all the time? Hi, Ollie. Olive, come here. Is that your slobber on the glass? Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Ooh. Are you licking the glass? Oh.